Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an incredibly important topic to discuss: healthy communication in relationships. Improving your connection. Effective communication is the cornerstone of any successful relationship, be it romantic, friendship, or family. In this video, we'll explore the key components of healthy communication and provide practical tips to strengthen your connection with your partner or loved ones. So, let's dive right in. The foundations of healthy communication. Before we delve into the techniques, let's lay the foundations of healthy communication. 1. Active listening. The key to understanding. Be present and fully engaged when your partner speaks. Give them your undivided attention to understand their feelings and perspectives. 2. Empathy. Putting yourself in their shoes. Show empathy by trying to see things from your partner's point of view. This creates a sense of emotional support and understanding. 3. Openness and honesty. Building trust. Foster an environment of trust by being open and honest with your partner. Avoid hiding feelings or thoughts that may affect the relationship. Practical communication tips. Now that we have the foundations set, let's dive into some practical communication tips that will improve your connection. 1. Use I statements. When expressing your feelings or concerns, use I statements rather than you statements. For example, say I feel instead of you always. 2. Avoid blame and criticism. Focus on the issue at hand, not on blaming or criticizing your partner. Constructive feedback can be helpful, but it should be delivered with care. 3. Stay calm during conflict. When conflicts arise, take a deep breath and remain calm. Avoid escalating the situation with raised voices or hurtful words. 4. Set aside quality time. Dedicate time for meaningful conversations without distractions. Put away your phones and truly connect with your partner. Nonverbal communication. Communication isn't just about words. Nonverbal cues also play a vital role in expressing emotions. 1. Body language, the silent messenger. Pay attention to your partner's body language, as it can reveal a lot about their feelings. 2. Eye contact, deepening the connection. Maintaining eye contact during conversations shows your partner that you value and respect them. 3. Physical affection, a touch of love. Don't underestimate the power of physical affection. Hugs, holding hands, and simple touches can strengthen your bond. Resolving conflicts peacefully. Conflict is natural in any relationship, but how you handle it makes all the difference. 1. Choose the right time and place. Address conflicts at an appropriate time and in a private setting where you can talk openly. 2. Active problem solving. Work together to find solutions rather than placing blame. A collaborative approach strengthens the relationship. 3. Compromise, meeting in the middle. Be willing to make concessions and find a middle ground to resolve conflicts. Congratulations! You've learned the essential elements of healthy communication in relationships. Improving your connection. Remember, healthy communication is an ongoing process that requires practice, patience, and understanding. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more relationship tips and advice. Share your thoughts on healthy communication in the comments below. Let's create a community dedicated to fostering strong and healthy connections in all our relationships. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy communicating.